Tang powder drink, mass production in USA, India and Pakistan. Temps, the brightly colored fruit-flavored drink powder, is one of the most popular instant beverages in the world. First introduced in the United States in the late 1950s, Temps became a household name after it was famously used by NASA astronauts on space missions. But what started as a novelty has turned into a massive global industry. Today, Tang is produced in countries like the USA, India, and Pakistan, supplying millions of households with quick, refreshing drinks every day. So, how exactly is Tang made on such a large scale? Let's go inside the factory. The process begins with ingredients. Temps is primarily a fruit-flavored powder made from a mix of sugar, food acids like citric acid, flavor compounds, vitamins, and minerals. Depending on the flavor, orange, mango, lemon, pineapple, or strawberry specialized flavor, powders are prepared and stored in airtight containers to preserve freshness. In the factory, massive ingredient silos hold bulk sugar, which makes up the largest portion of Temps. Sugar is conveyed into large blending tanks where it is combined with acids, stabilizers, and powdered flavor bases. The key to Tang's appeal is not just sweetness, but its balance of tartness, fruity aroma, and vitamin fortification. Vitamin C, along with other micronutrients, is carefully measured and added in exact proportions to meet nutritional claims. The blending process is critical. Industrial mixers run at high speed, ensuring that every particle of sugar, acid, and flavor evenly distributes throughout the batch. This guarantees that when Temps is dissolved in water at home, every spoonful tastes exactly the same. Next comes spray drying, one of the most advanced steps in production. Liquid flavor concentrates are transformed into fine powder through a spray dryer, where hot air instantly evaporates moisture, leaving behind light, dry flavor granules. These are then blended back into the sugar mix. Spray drying helps preserve volatile aromas and extends shelf life. Once blended, the Tang powder is sent for quality control. Samples are tested for taste, solubility, color consistency, and vitamin content. In high-tech labs, analysts check whether the powder dissolves uniformly in water and maintains the iconic Temps taste. After approval, the product moves to packaging. Temps is filled into pouches, jars, or sachets using automated filling machines. Each pack is sealed to protect the powder from humidity, since moisture can cause clumping. Nitrogen flushing is often used to keep the product fresh during transport. In the United States, Temps is often sold in large jars for family use. In India and Pakistan, smaller single-serve sachets and mid-sized pouches are popular, catering to different consumer needs. Factories in these regions produce flavors suited to local preferences, such as mango and pineapple, which are favorites in South Asia. Finally, cartons are packed, stacked, and shipped worldwide from supermarkets in New York to small shops in Karachi and Delhi. Temps has become a truly international drink, customized for each region but always recognizable for its bright color, sweet aroma, and refreshing taste. From bulk sugar silos to carefully measured vitamins, from high-speed blenders to precision packaging lines, Temps is a fascinating example of food engineering. A drink that once powered astronauts now fuels families across the globe. So next time you stir a spoonful of Temps into a glass of cold water, remember, behind that quick refreshment is a story of science, technology, and global teamwork.